Hi, everyone. I decided to do some redesign in my photography class that I teach second semester. I have um, gone through and created a module about photography in society. This is going to be something that they create after they have already learned about some of the history of photography and gone through the elements of composition in photography. We're going to start out with a page that they will mark as done after we go through together. It starts with a video about society and photography that explains 7 ways photography effectively impacts society, and then gives a little bit of an explanation that I got from this article. And then we will move on to a page where they will create their own collaboration teams using a Padlet. I am limiting it to no more than 3 people. I have 24 students that are enrolled for that class during second semester. So I went ahead and created room for 12 teams just in case everybody only pairs up. After they have created their teams, we will then move on to some exploration. They will, with their teams, decide if they want to do something with advertising, travel brochure, maybe portrait or event photography, or instructional type things. And then they will come down here and decide whether or not they're going to create a static advertisement, travel brochure, an article or blog post. These There is a lot of leeway here if they want to do something with portraiture and event photography. They can do a blog post for that. They can do, instead of a travel brochure, a brochure that shows what they would be offering if they became that kind of photographer. So while these don't match up with these exactly, these are the types of things they can create according to what they are wanting to move into. And then they will gather their material. And for this, I have decided to use the collaborations on Canvas. I've already created one just as an example. This collaboration team has this is where I went, has 2 people, 2 students, and of course me. Whenever you create a collaboration on Canvas, the teacher is included in all of them. And then it gives them a Google document where they can collaborate. I will expect them to include any information they want to have on their artifact, all of the photos they take for their artifact, um, and any type of plan they have for setting up, creating, designing their artifact. That's what should be on their collaboration. Um, Going back to our modules, at with their collaboration, I have created a rubric to grade the collaboration. And then once their collaboration has been graded and they've had a discussion with me about their artifact, they will create their artifact. They can use any tool, a Google app. I gave in my thing link, I gave links to some external tools they could use, like a safe blogging website that they could use if they wanted to do a blog post. different types of online software they can use to create brochures along with Google applications. They're going to submit a website URL. If you notice, I say, please remember to submit a share link. For our school district, since everything is on Google, we are a Google school district. If they don't create an actual share link for me, then I cannot see their work. So I also have a rubric down here to grade their artifact. And again, they will be doing this in their teams. Um, After their artifact, they do have a reflection that I created in the new quizzes for Canvas. I plan on using this at the end of the quarter, the third quarter. Like I said, after we have gone through history of photography and composition of photography, as a way for them to use the skills and the knowledge that they've learned to create something that could be used in the real world. So that is my creation for uh, um, collaboration and using it through Canvas.